how to add a gift card to Walmart apps. On this process, firstly, you will have to open the Walmart app with your account. So simply open the Walmart app. And now from here, you will have to go the options account. So it will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the account. And now on the account section, you will have to go the options wallet. So simply tap on the options wallet. Alright, so now from here, you will have to go with the options gift card. So simply tap on the gift card. And now on the gift card section, you'll have to enter the credential for here. So like it will be card number, pin, gift card nickname. It is optional. Alright, so after that, you'll have to click on that save card option. So simply tap on it. And from here, you can easily add a gift card to the Walmart app. So this is the easiest and simplest method to add a gift card to your Walmart app. So hope this video was helpful to you. And please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.